extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That's poor running between the wickets. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Pacer introduced from the other end.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Edge and taken. A brilliant piece of bowling. It took the edge and flew away to the fielder.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Great shot. He has dispatched that. And the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. To face his first ball. He has gone for a loose stroke.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6.
Can he do it again?
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Nudges it for a single. There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
That is a very quick single taken.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a six.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
No ball called by the umpire. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. And he helps himself to a six.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. There is a fielder at cover. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
Last ball of the innings coming up.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the shorter one.
no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. They should look at varying their pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end.